Here at the Trobe University Institute for Molecular Sciences at the Department of Biochemistry and Genetics, Professor Nick Hoogenraad, Dr. Amelia Johnston and research assistant Laura Jenkinson have made a discovery which could help prolong life for cancer patients.
Cachexia is a weight loss and muscle wasting condition that's often seen in a variety of different types of diseases, but in particular in cancer and more so in the later stages of cancer. It's estimated that up to 80% of cancer patients will suffer from some form of cachexia, and this is very much dependent on the type of cancer. So the idea that we could potentially treat this cachexia in cancer patients it's of huge significance, given that 30% of cancer-related deaths are actually attributed to the presence of cachexia.
If, when we develop the treatment that is suitable for humans, if that is successful, then it should allow cancer patients to maintain their quality of life as well as their muscle tone and strength, and this will allow them to continue cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiotherapy. These treatments are often stopped due to the patient's emaciated state. Once we discovered that FN14 was a potential cause for cachexia, we developed a therapy that can block FN14. We then went ahead into laboratory models and found that we were actually able to block the cachexia. So how we measured whether or not we were blocking the cachexia was by measuring weight loss and muscle mass. We found that when we treat with the antibody, we were able to inhibit weight loss, inhibit fat loss, and inhibit the muscle wastage that the controls were showing.
So the therapy that we have currently, that we've shown that works in our laboratory models, isn't suitable for use in humans. What we need to do is take this therapy and recreate it in a format that's suitable to trial in humans, and we're doing this at the moment with our collaborators and colleagues at the Olivia Newton-John Cancer Research Institute. And so once this is complete, we'd then be able to initiate clinical trials, but this is quite a lengthy process, so we're looking at least 2 to 3 years until we're ready to actually initiate those clinical trials.